Hi, I'm Morgan with Winter Garden Village, and we're so excited to be involved in the 25 days of giveaways on the Winter Garden app. Winter Garden Village is located in Winter Garden, Florida. It's 1 million square feet of over 80 retailers and restaurants, including our new additions, Macy's and J. Crew Factory Store. Winter Garden Village is a great place to get all of your shopping done in just one place, anywhere from the Pink Store, Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body Works, Nike, Carter's, anything you can need for anyone on your list. After you finish your holiday shopping, you could stop at one of our many restaurants, including Ahi Sushi, Bonefish Grill, Volcano Hot Pot, Azteca, and many more. This year, we're so excited to offer one lucky winner a $150 gift card to J. Crew Factory Store. Good luck, make sure you enter, and happy holidays from Winter Garden Village.